Here we're going to be looking at slope-intercept form. And how do you write a function that describes a real-world situation by using function notation? To do this, we need to know what a function rule is. That is an algebraic expression, or y is equal to mx plus b, that describes a function in function notation form, using f of x is equal to mx plus b. To write a function rule, we're going to do 4 steps. First, we're going to organize the relationship into a table. Step 2 is that we're going to use the table to make a graph. Step 3 is that we're going to use the graph to find the slope, or the rate of change, by counting the up and over. And step 4 is that we're going to use the graph to find the y-intercept, or b, and substitute m and b into the equation f of x is equal to mx plus b. At this point, we can see that slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. And that's where m, the slope, is y2 minus y1, all divided by x2 minus x1. And the y-intercept, or b, is when x equals 0. Let's look at an example where we're given the point 2, 3 and the slope of 2 over 3. The 2 is the x and the y is the 3. So all we need to do is substitute these into the equation y is equal to mx plus b. This will give us a new equation of 3 is equal to 2 over 3 times 2 plus b. This will give us a new equation, 9 is equal to 4 plus b, which lets us subtract 4 from both sides and get that 5 is equal to b. Now all we're going to do is substitute that 5 and the slope into an original equation to get y is equal to 2 over 3x plus 5, which is our answer. In another example, we're given a graph. And it's immediately obvious that the line crosses the y-axis at 1, so that is our b, our y-intercept. We need to count the slope, its rise and its run. I see that it is going across 5 and up and down by 5. But it is a down 5, so I'm going to make that down 5 negative. From here we can calculate the slope, where m is the change in the rise, or negative 5, over the change in the run, which is 5, and negative 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we substitute these values into the original equation to get y is negative 1x plus 1. But we often don't put 1's and negative 1's in front of x's, so we're going to put y is negative x minus 1. Just a warning, one day there might be a math apocalypse where people wander the earth doing math problems.